So we discussed about this important topic, Delhi Sultanate, and I already said Delhi Sultanate have five important dynasties: the Slave Dynasty, Ghalji Dynasty, Tughlaq Dynasty, Said Dynasty, and Lodi Dynasty. And also, I'm going to tell about the important significance of the Delhi Sultanate. So in Delhi Sultanate, we have important point of significance. The first and important significance is nothing but the architectural significance of Delhi Sultanate. So in that period, which means the medieval period, especially in the Delhi Sultanate period, the kings of sultans or the sultans of Delhi Sultanates made an important architectural monuments in their period. So this is the important thing which is marked in the history of medieval period. So first and the best example of their architecture is nothing but the Qutub Minar. So the Qutub Minar was a huge construction situated in the Delhi, in the place Delhi. So the Qutbuddin Aibak, the first founder of Delhi Sultanate, which is started the construction of Qutub Minar, and the next ruler called Iltutmish was finished the construction of Qutub Minar. So in our history, the Qutub Minar played a crucial role. Second one is Red Fort. Nowadays only we just visit that place, the Red Fort, and for the tourist opportunities. So the Red Fort also played an important role in the history of medieval period. It is also a huge construction in the history of medieval period. Third one is Juma Masjid. Juma Masjid is an important cultural center and also an important architectural construction which is built by the Sultans of Delhi. So they are belonging in a Islamic community, so they build many kind of mosques. So according to that mosque, or apart from that, the Juma Masjid played an important role in the history of medieval period. This is the architectural significance of the Delhi Sultanate. Next one is the administrative significance. They are the people who followed the important administrative purposes during their period. They maintained a centralized administration. The king acted as an important person of that administration. Under the king, they have some kind of ministers and they have some kind of sub-ministers also, which means the council of ministers also. So they followed, or the Delhi Sultanate kings witnessed, or their period witnessed an important administrative setup or administrative systematic setup in their particular period, which means the medieval period. And the important third one is their cultural legacy. They followed a good type of cultural legacy, which means they followed a good kind of art, architecture, literature, etc. All the kings of Delhi Sultanate patronized with a good kind of literature, which means they know a kind of languages like Hindi, Persian, Arabic, then some regional languages also. So they made or they wrote some kind of books, manuscripts, etc. So the many kind of foreign travelers visited the Delhi and they found many kind of observations about their book, that book which is brought by the Sultans of Delhi. And next one is their art. I already said the kings of the Delhi Sultanate constructed many kind of buildings, and that building included with the kind of artworks. Especially in the Qutub Minar, the Qutub Minar covered with many kind of Islamic words and Islamic symbols also. So next one is, the next important significance of Delhi Sultanate is nothing but the Sufism, the influence of Sufism. So in that period, we have, or the Delhi Sultanate have, many kind of poets like Sufist poets. The most important Sufist poets is nothing but the Nizamuddin Auliya and the Amir Khusro. The Amir Khusro is commonly known as the parrot of India. So he wrote many kind of Sufist works, Sufist poems, and they continuously practiced, the kings of the Delhi Sultanates continuously practiced that kind of poems and stories. Next one is the agricultural facilities. So in the agricultural facility also they gave more importance to agricultural facilities. They witnessed a good kind of trade and commerce, and they connected the trade with the domestic and the international trade. Thank you.